How to remove bad videos on Facebook feed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove bad videos from your Facebook feed and stop unwanted content from showing up. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and simply find the Facebook post or the video that you don't like. And once you found that, tap on the three dots and you'll see a menu with few options. If you want to remove the video temporarily, you can simply select hide post and it will no longer show up on your feed. Alternatively, if the video is coming from a specific page or profile that keeps posting content you don't like, simply you can choose to unfollow the page or unfollow the friend like this. Simply tap on the friend who has shared that, and as you can see friends, simply tap on that option and click on unfriend. This will stop content from that page or person from showing up in your feed. For more control, simply tap on the three dots of the post that you don't like and simply click on why am I seeing this. After doing that, this will give you a deeper understanding of why Facebook might be showing you this specific photo or video, and you can even adjust your ad preferences and content recommendation from here. And that's it. That's how you can simply remove bad videos from your Facebook feed and stop unwanted content from